Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics doesn't have a lot of frills, but it does have what the students want. A hangar full of engines and airplanes to work on, and all the tools they need to start a successful aviation maintenance career. PIA student Zach Dorman has had a passion for aviation since he was a kid.
Started doing private pilot right out of high school. Got my private pilot in 2016 and kind of wanted a more intimate hands-on experience with aviation.
For Zach, working on airplanes is rewarding.
Just the feeling of having something that's just really broke or messed up or no one knows what's wrong with it, and it's like a puzzle. And you work on it for hours and pour your heart into it, and to see it finally start up and work, something that doesn't look like it really should or ever would, and there's nothing like it.
Student Kelly Martin is also a pilot, but decided to go for an aviation technical career because of the abundance of opportunities available.
It's a fantastic time to be a mechanic. I mean, you could, if you're capable, if you do what you're supposed to, you could get a job anywhere.
Kelly is hoping to work for Pratt & Whitney.
Pratt & Whitney does a lot of more modern things and, sort of pushing the boundaries on like space travel. They do a lot of that. I would love to do that. And just going bigger, better, faster. So.
And the numbers show just how much demand there is for aviation mechanics.
As far as opportunities, between July 1 and June 30th of 2017-18, 91% of our graduates were working within the aviation or a related field within 6 months of graduation.
One of the goals of PIA is to help a diverse group of students discover their passions and go on to have successful careers.
We always hear stories of individuals who really can't find a decent job or a good job, or they're struggling, or student loans or bills or whatever that might be. So here, seeing those students and seeing them come here and enjoy what they do and then just have a really amazing future, it's really given me hope, like a lot of hope that they're gonna have a successful life.
Julie Walker, AOPA Live.